Questo caffè è marrone.
The Italian double R, R. This one took me a really long time to learn, so it does require a lot of practice, but don't worry, if you stick with it, you'll get there. How? Well, try to pronounce the letters tada, 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 tada really quickly. Relax your tongue as much as possible. The more you relax it, the more it will start to sound like the Italian R. Tada, 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 R, R, R. Once you can do that, try putting it in some words. For example, in birra, birra, beer, and arrivare, arrivare, arrive. So I remember that I thought that I would never be able to learn how to roll my R's, but after a lot of practice, tada, 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 and then some more practice, tra, 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 and then a lot more practice, tra, tra, r, r, r. Sometimes sounding like a flushing toilet.
Kurde, kurde.
I eventually managed to learn how to do it.